Yo, 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 what up, YouTube X? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. So as you can see right now in front of me, we have some boxes, and as you can see right here, we have this right here, and we have this right here. Now, I was able to get this at a freaking steal. So basically I had to go to Staples today to return some packages back to Amazon, because you know right now I can't deal with Amazon. They keep stealing money out of my account. And what wound up happening is that my wife actually came across these. I was actually getting ready to order this off of Amazon, which I really didn't. That's why I haven't ordered it right away. I was looking for different things. Plus, I work with Govee. I do have promotional codes, and I was actually getting ready to order mines and use my discount code, which in the store this costs about 129 bucks. So what wound up happening, she wound up coming across this and only paid $34 for this. Big steal. When I spoke to the guy inside Staples, they said they trying to get rid of it. New inventory, also this right here. So I just grabbed it while I had a chance to. This was only 23 bucks. This was actually 34. I might go back today and pick up another one of these, because this is only 34 bucks, and pick up another one of these and put this on my TV. So yeah, I might just pick up an extra set right there. So and no further ado, let's unbox this thing. Do we need a bat knife? Yes, we do. So let's get this thing over here. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So if you guys don't know, I already have one of these. Actually, I could just do this. Yeah. I was literally trying to rip it, cut it. Got all that gook, all that tape. So here we go right here. Jesus Christ. I might have to put my camera up a little bit higher, because this backs, I said this backs. I sound straight like I'm straight from Boston, right? I sound like I'm from Boston, right? I'm a New Yorker. Come on, buddy. Let me in. Come on, girl. Let me in, bro. There we go. So here we go. Open it up. There we go. So we have all these. Holy moly. There's a lot of wire. So I just got to figure out where I'm going to put this at, because I'm going to have to put this up on my wall somewhere. If y'all know, I got a lot of Govee stuff all over the place. When y'all see I do my live streamings and stuff like that, or my recordings, y'all see I have the LED strip that's going under. I might put this where my pictures all is, and I might actually remove the pictures and move the pictures on the side of my wall over here. That's what I may do. I'm not completely sure what I'm going to do just yet. Damn, this stuff got a lot of boxes. Okay. Okay, we have this right here. I guess that's all that came in this box, was just this. I have no idea what that is. It just came in this box. And I believe this is the hangers. Yes, sir. All those hangers. And the screwdriver. Okay. That's all what's in this package right here. I don't remember where this go to. I think it was in here. But I need to get the instructions out of here real quick so I can mess with this thing, because I have no idea. And yeah, it's just a box right here. So let's throw this back in here. I'm gonna have to just plug this sucker on, throw it through my Govee app, and get this thing up and running. Try to figure out where I'm gonna put it up on my wall. I think I can do my sub count on here. I'm not completely sure, but you can do different things, as you can see right here. Footballs, hippie sign, Christmas trees, hearts. You could put whatever you want on here like that. So yeah, so just got to figure out where I'm gonna put this at. Halloween is coming up very, very shortly. So yeah, so I think that's what this was for. Plug this into here, I believe. I think that's what that was for. Yes, it is. So there we go. Okay, so my outlets, actually I don't have no more outlets over here. I'm gonna have to run an extension cord. My other outlets on the other part of the wall. So yeah, that's this part right here. So we got that set up, move that out the way. Almost cut myself. Here's the instructions. Yeah, I cut my arm. Well, I ain't cut my arm. I burnt my arm. I'm a fire marshal Bill. Yeah, I'm another fire marshal Bill. Instructions, information right there. So that's that right here. So let's get to this one right here. No more bat knife. It's just a simple pull. There we go. Yes, more info. LEDs. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put this at. I don't know if I'm going to put it behind my monitor or if I'm going to put it behind my actual setup and have it go like that. I'm not completely sure where I'm going to put this at just yet. So we have, I think this is for programming it. So there's extra cords here. Don't know what's in here. We can get this out. And I'm just dropping stuff all over the place. Good thing about it is I have a lavalier and mic on, so why does this look like this thing is open? Okay. Things is not even in the packet. This thing was completely closed, so unless it just fell out the packet. That's what I'm thinking what happened. I'm thinking it may just fell out the packaging. Like that. I don't think anything was supposed to be inside here. Let me double check. Yeah, I don't think nothing was supposed to be in here. I think it's just supposed to be in something like that, or this was supposed to be in here and it just slid out. To be honest, this doesn't look like it fit anything inside here. Yeah, I think that was just something in there just to hold up space or whatever it may be. So let's just get this out the way. Okay. We have this. This most likely is to program it by putting it towards angles. We have this. We have the stuff to put on the back of the monitor. We have the LEDs right here. Boom. We have the most likely USB cord. And I'm trying to see if this may have been opened. It doesn't look like it's been opened. Just the way how the glue is on here. I'm double checking. Yeah, this doesn't look like it's been opened before. Just the way how the glue is on this thing, because it was basically like this. Yeah, this hasn't been opened. Got this right here, plug, USB, like that. We have this, USB-C goes in, and this is the camera module, I believe. And I'm ripping this right now. So there we go. So yeah, there we go right there. Camera module. I already have one of these on my other TV. The other one is like crappy. This one is like an up-to-date one. So yeah, I do like this one. I love Govee stuff. So yeah, this goes on top of the monitor like that, or your TV like that, and I believe you plug this in and this basically controls everything like that. So yeah, we got this extra piece right here. So alright guys, this is every piece of thing that I got with this stuff. I'm getting ready to set this stuff up. First thing I need to do is figure out what I'm putting this at first, because that's going to be the big thing, and I have no idea where I'm going to put it at. So and no further ado, I'm going to catch you guys later with all this mess up on here, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace.